Hello everyone, so let's continue the tutorial. So last tutorial you guys already prepared all the data, so now it's back to the Unreal Engine. So let's launch the Unreal Engine. So I'm using Unreal Engine 5.3.2, Unreal 5 3.2. Okay, now it's showing the Unreal project browser, so you can click the game. But if you want to use some the virtual production or some film video, maybe a live event, you can click this one template or architecture and automotive. So this time I'm using the game, and then blank, and then click the ray tracing, and then put your project name. So image to CLO3D test and create. So it takes time. Okay, so now on your engine, so you can create the level, empty level. So file, new level, and then you can create the empty level and create. So here is nothing. So you can add the plan. So go to the shape, and then you can drag onto the plan into the view, and then you can go to right click the right side and transform. You can click the 0 and 0 0. So if you want to zoom in out, so keyboard F, so it make the zoom in everything to fit your viewpoint. And then Alt and the left mouse, you can control the viewpoint. And then if you want to zoom in out, right click the right mouse, holding the Alt key, then you can zoom in out. So this is the basic. Okay, then if you click the R keyboard, you can scale up. So you can make more the scale up. And then from here, you can click you can create the contents. It's a right click, and then you can go to add feature or contents pack. Then click. Then you can click third person. Okay, because we use the avatar for the motion for the Mixamo. And then edit the project. And close. Then if you go to the contents character, and then you can go to mannequins, the mesh. You can see the pin here. Okay. Okay, so you can use the pin, the skeleton mesh, and drag. Okay, and then transform 0 0 and 0, and then give the F, and then keyboard W E R. You can see here the transform and rotate and then scale. Okay, so in here there is no writing. Okay, no right. So you can go to the right, and then you can click the rectangle right. Okay, then you can make a little bit key right. This. Okay, then we can control the intensity here. So maybe if you want more bright up, you can increase. and then Alt, hold, and move. You can duplicate, right? So I want to make the fill light, so less intensity, 7, something like that. Okay, then go to the contents. So I'm going to make another folder, which means for the manage all the animation data. So new folder, so you can change name, animations. Then just so we can make another folder, new folder. Then you can put the queen. So in the queen folder, you can import what we convert from Mixamo converter last time. Okay, for the altcoin, Mixamo converter, and inside the altcoin FX, you can drag into this folder. Okay. Then you need to do something. So you can click the none, and then you can select the SK, the mannequin. So click. Okay. Then you need to go to advanced. So you need to check the use default, sample, import material, and sample rate, and don't click import attribute as code. And then scroll down. Do not import the curve. And import all. Yeah, so double click, then you can check the animation in the sequence. Okay, so all good, and close. Then you need to save this level, save all, so you can save your name, image to CLO3D test, save. So after save, you can drag and drop this. Okay, then if you the play mode, you can see the animation like a game. Okay, WASD. Okay, you can see all the angle. Okay, and keyboard ESC, or you can stop the play mode. And then here camera speed is very fast, so you can reduce camera speed. Okay, let's go to animation folder. Then you can create another folder. Right click and create new folder, and then metahuman image. So the people, we needed to one more step. So let's go to Queen. We needed to export this one to the outside on your engine. So right click, and then you can create the asset and actions and export. So I try to use the same folder that we made for the Mixamo and convert. And here I create a name the UE to CLO3D already. So you can make the create folder like this, and then double click, and then this is a you can catwalk. You can make a name like this, like a catwalk, and upload it and CLO3D. So please make sure this name is like more clear for you. So sometimes confuse which file is which one. Okay, and then save. And then you can use default, f(x) and export. Okay, so just save all again. And then let's import the Metahuman. So you can go to click the edit to the project. Then you can click the Pixel Bridge. So it's showing the Pixel Bridge web browser. So you needed to log in. So I already log in. Okay, first. After that, you can go to the Metahuman. And then in the Metahuman preset, you can see the My Metahumans. Okay, click. Then you can see your own avatar. So I made this avatar from previous tutorial. So click. So once click, you need to download first. It takes a lot of time to download it. Okay. So first it's green and blue. So you need to import first. After import, you can change the quality, highest quality, then you can add here. Because I already download, so you needed to spend a little bit time to download. It's take maybe around 10 minutes more than, and then add. So it's importing into the browser, content browser. Okay. So if you go to the content browser, you can see the Metahuman. Okay, so click the Metahuman, and then you can see the folder test milk. Then you can see the blueprint. Then you can Okay, so one more thing. I think if you have some error, the plugin error, you need to download the plugin. So you click the settings in the plugin, and then you can the live link. So you can see here the live link, and then also live link control link. So these two you need to turn on. Yes. And then restart now. Okay. Then restart. Then you can go to contents. So you can click your level. Double click. So it's switching to your level. Okay, so now you can see your avatar. Okay, so once you turn on the plugin, okay, restart, then you can see the metahuman in the view. Okay, it's nice. Okay, so now it's a success to import your metahuman into the Unreal Engine. Okay, now you have to sync. Okay, so now you have to add your metahuman to your level. So go to your animation and image folder that we create. So we export the kin avatar to UE to CLO3D. Okay, this one. Then drag onto the here. So first you need to none, and then you can select the metahuman base skeleton. So here metahuman base skeleton. Okay. So if you click here, there are already. So but this time metahuman. Okay. Then import all and clear. And close. Then we can check the animation. So double click. Then you can see the sequence. So yeah, you can see the animation. Everything is correct. Okay. Okay, and close. Now it's time to apply animation into the viewpoint. So click the metahuman and go to body and go to animation, and then you can change the animation mode to use animation asset, and then you can click the use select the asset from content browser, click, then it's automatically showing the animation pose. And then if you want to see the extra live, you can go to the add, and then you can type the live, then live sync skeleton animation. Okay, and then click, then you can see the animation. Okay, sometimes if you check the ground, you need to check the ground if it is correct or not. Okay, but this one is correct, so everything is correct. You can see. But if your avatar is really floating from the ground, you need to go to double click the animation sequence. And then you can change the retarget source to none here. Then you can put your metahuman body in the asset detail. Maybe this one. But my case is okay. So if your avatar will be floating, then you need to select this the body here. Then you need to save. Okay, if your avatar is floating. But in my case, it's okay. Everything is correct. Okay, so in the sequence, if you update none to your metahuman the body. If your avatar is broken, then after that, after save, you have to reload. So if you go to body, and then you have to click here arrow, so you need to reload again. Okay, that's all. So then after that, you need to export this the A pose, and then young frame pose, and then sequence pose to CLO3D. Okay, so you can go to next step. You can go to edit level sequence. Then you can change the name. Same. 3D image to 3D pose. Okay, then after that you can select this one, click and drag into the level sequence. Okay, after that, once you add the metahuman here, then you have to select the set to 0 frame, click. So now everything is 0 frame. Okay. Then we can set up the A pose and also the 0 frame pose and the sequence animation in the next tutorial. Okay, thank you for the watching. See you next time. Thank you.